Let's make a foghorn, which is one of many types of foghorns you can choose from. I'm sure you'll find them, and this will be one of them. So if it doesn't sound right to you, maybe you're drinking another foghorn. We're going to start off with equal part brandy, 2 parts of brandy, ounce apart, or ounce apiece. The jigger I'm using is 1 ounce on one side and a 1/2 ounce on the other side. We're going to use 2 parts of brandy. 2 and a little bit. Always got to think about Grandma. We're going to use 1 part blue Curacao, which comes from the island of Curacao. And we're going to, since we have it all together, we're going to go ahead and shake thoroughly. We have here a chilled cocktail glass. A cold cocktail going into a cold glass is a much better idea, if you ask me. We're going to strain this into the cocktail glass. Nice, pretty blue. We're going to finish it off with a little bit of nutmeg. In the beginning of your evening, a foghorn. Cheers.